Alright guys, here it is. I made a video of this 26 Jeep Wrangler 4-door Rubicon today. Just did a quick little walk around on it. This one does have the XTREME Recon package on it. That's what I'm having you guys check out here. So it's got beadlock capable wheels with that XTREME Recon package. You got 17-inch by 8-inch machine wheels with black pockets, performance anti-lock disc brakes. You get a jack spacer by Mopar. It also changes the axle ratio to 4.56 rear axle ratio on these. The tire sizes are 35-inch LT 315 70R17. That beautiful Rubicon. This one also comes with this steel bumper on it as well, guys. These Rubicons are really made for the off-road. You're going to have front and rear axle lockers. That little spot right there is actually made to pop out for a winch. Got the front camera on this one. Pretty cool the way that works. You can see the lines where your tires are going to go on the road. Tons of aftermarket or undercarriage protection. You got transfer case and fuel protection on all your Rubicon standard from the factory. Showing you that suspension. The suspension on your Jeep is going to be solid axle springs. It's going to give you better ground clearance. With this XTREME Recon package, you also get a 1.5-inch lift. You can see there you do have those power seats with leather seats in this one. So really nice tech. That's the blind spot I was trying to show you there, because this one has blind spot, forward collision warning. You got that nice big 12-inch screen. You can see your front and rear axle lockers. The aux switches down there, everything's pre-ran through the firewall. Super easy for you to do upgrades and stuff like that to this Jeep. Got the leather all the way through. You got heated seats up front, heated steering wheel. Comfort starts. It'll automatically turn on at 40 degrees. Check this out. So they have the new quick release doors. So you can see there's no pin anymore. And then if you come on here on the inside, you can see all you have to do, instead of taking that Torx bit out of the wall, you just undo the pin. Boop, it'll pop right out of there for you. You have off-road vehicle, but you don't have to go without the tech. That's what I'm showing you there. You got a power plug-in back there, USB ports. That's the little bag for your freedom bags. These back seats, they'll fold down, give you a flat space. You can even sleep back here if you wanted to, guys. Pretty cool. Got all the versatility. I love this purple rain color. I'm not sure if it's named after the song by Prince, but man, it sure does look good. Steel bumpers all the way around the vehicle. Part of that XTREME Recon package, you also have to have a little heavier tire, so they give you the ability to support that with that off-road tire support from Mopar. Got the Alpine stereo system in this thing, so when you're out there on the trails, you can be jamming out to some of your favorite tunes, enjoying a cold beverage here. That's the rear tub storage. So that's got a little drain plug in it. This little thing here in the back, you got your tow hitch. This thing is going to be able to tow right around 4,500 pounds. Pretty sweet. And then check this out. I mean, all your Jeeps, they can drive through 30 inches of water, folks. Pretty cool. Give you one last little walk around here, show the outside. Doesn't that thing look good with the sun coming over the horizon? Absolutely gorgeous, legendary off-road performance. The Rubicon, it doesn't get much better than this. Up right above this one is going to be a Rubicon X, and right below it will be your Willys. Thanks so much for checking out my video, guys. My name's Mark, and I sell cars. Y'all have a great day and stay blessed.